Hi everyone, Gabrielle Helene with Just My Input. I'm so excited to be talking about one of my favorite buys on Amazon. It's these rechargeable LED motion sensor light. They come in a magnetic strip. You can see the strip right there. You can actually buy a magnetic roll that sticks under the cabinets. That's where I put mine. And then you just stick it on there. It is perfect. It is LED light. You can see the magnetic strip right there. And the motion sensor area, you can see the little round circle. It provides the exact amount of lighting that you need at the exact amount of time. You can get the lighting in 3 different kind of lights. You can have it in natural white, warm white, or cold white. It is awesome. I installed 2 in my kitchen. It's easy to recharge. You don't have to recharge it all the time. So far I've had it in my kitchen for about 2 weeks and it's still going on strong. It does come with the adapter, so you just plug it in right there and then you put it in a USB port. Anyways, the description is down below. You can find the link to the Amazon. Thank you so much for watching.